How to use the same WhatsApp account on another phone at the same time. Open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Make sure the account is not already set up. Click agree and continue. Click on the three dots here. Click on link a device, and then you should be able to see a QR code here. Now go to your second phone where you already have WhatsApp set up. Go to your settings. Go to linked devices. Click on linked device. I'm just gonna unlock my phone. Now simply scan the barcode. And you should see the exact same account on the other phone. As you can see, the list of contacts and messages here is same as list and contacts here. How useful is that? Subscribe for more tips like this.